How to log into Zara app. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. To log into Zara app, first open up the app. Now if you haven't yet installed the application, you can get it on your Play Store or App Store. Open it up. Once you have installed and once you have opened it up, you can see the option to enter and you can see a store option. You can tap on enter here. Once you select enter here, you want to tap on continue again. Now you can ask app to track or not track and go through the option to enter in all this, whether you want to get notifications or not, and other these prompts. So you can allow the location here. As you can see, you'll get this way. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find menu and account option. Tap on account option, then it'll prompt you to the login option. Here now, if you do have an account, you can select to enter in that particular account details and login. So you can enter in email and proceed to login, or you can simply choose to continue with Apple or Google. So if you want a quick login, choose to do it that way and then enter in your Google account details and you'll be able to log in easily here. So as you can see, this way. So this is how you can easily log in or sign in to your account. So for example, here now I'll open up YouTube app and I'll select yes, it is me for my account since I have a two-step verification enabled. So as you can see, I'm logged in now. Even if I do not have an account, it'll prompt me to create an account and prompt me to set up my account. So you can see I'm signing in here to Zara for the first time and it's prompting me to sign. So it's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.